Welcome to the program. The Referral Institute is one of the most inspiring places for you to learn the art and science of networking. Let me share my experiences. When I met Phil Bedford and he invited me to come to the Referral Institute, I was kind of like, what's the new stuff I'm going to learn? Because, I've been a very successful business coach in 4 different continents. My entire practice over the last 25 years has been built on word of mouth. So obviously, there's a certain, way in which I've been networking that's been successful. So I went along because I have a great regard and respect for Phil. And boy, was I in for a shock. I learned that I knew so little. There were so many holes in the way I was networking, in the way I was, approaching the people who could get me in touch with my ideal clients. First of all, my ideal client profile was not clear, starting from there. So when I started engaging with the material, I found all these aha moments. And then I would go home and I would really relax and become a couch potato. The whole one cycle went, and I said, when I was doing the cost benefit analysis, I found, hey boy, you got all these ahas, what the heck have you done about it? So then I spoke to Phil and I said, Phil, you know what? There's something missing here. So Phil says, well, the first part is you already gotten. You've figured out what you need to do. Now you need to put it into action, buddy. And if you don't put it into action, it's not going to work. So I said, okay, Phil, so what do I do? He says, come back to the program and start again and put everything that you learned into action. And we set up an accountability structure. I would send him weekly reports. And Phil kept my feet to the fire. What's the result? That a center in Dubai is now doubled and tripled. I've got one center that's coming up in Lagos, another center that's coming up in Nairobi. And when I look back, and I find, is this what I really learned in the Referral Institute? So the question is, it's kind of got embedded in me. It's just like cycling. When you cycle, you learn how to cycle, you get the balance, and then you got to practice, then that's when you get the fluency. When you get the fluency, you're not even thinking. So I've begun to experience that level of how this material is helping me without even being consciously aware. And the gap between where I was earlier and where I am now is that I put in the hours, I put in the work, and I surrendered to the process. This Referral Institute is not meant for everybody. Maybe it's not meant for you. Are you a champion? If you're a champion, you will do what champions do. They get up in the morning, they practice, they devote the time, they commit, and not only that, they get the whole teams around them to practice and support them. So for example, there are so many CEOs who were in my program, and they learned this material, they got very good, they applied it, but then when I would ask them questions like, what's your sales team doing? They say, why? They're doing the same thing that they were doing earlier, which is cold calling. I said, come on, give me a break. If you have mastered this, don't you think you need to invest time? 2 of these people got their entire sales team into Phil's program, and the results are absolutely amazing. So this is something that my recommendation to you is engage with the material, understand every single element that you have, work with the program, ask questions, show Phil that, look, this is what I did, this was my plan for the week, and this is what I achieved, these are the gaps. And he's a very, he's so committed to your success that he will straight away tell you, what, do this, do this, do this. You start doing that, you start getting the results. It's not rocket science, but you got to apply yourself. So here's my, my wish for you, that you engage with this material and you completely transform your business, because the lifeblood of your business is basically bringing in more qualified, profitable prospects. You owe it to yourself, and you owe it to all the shareholders, your parents, your children, your wife, your family, every single person who is depending on you succeeding in your business, you succeeding in your job. Go for it. Have a great time. See you around and have a fantastic day.